Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was out yesterday looking for some plants that would provide more fall interest in my garden, and look what I found. I want to share this with you guys. Please let me know what you think. Well, I was watching one of my favorite gardening shows, and he was talking about creating fall colors in your garden. And then I suddenly realized that I had very little fall colors in my garden, and so I got inspired to go out and try to find a few of the things that they had recommended. So let's see what I got here. I got a few grasses, and the good thing about this is that I got everything at half price. I mean, that was really something that I was very happy about, because plants do cost a lot of money, and I was happy to get a few for just half the price. And everything that I got here are hardy plants to the zone that I'm in, definitely. And I don't know if I'll be planting them this year, but let's just take a look. So over here we have the Mecantos Sinensis root Federer. I don't know if that is German or English or whatever it is, but it's a hardy perennial grass. I don't know exactly where I'm going to be putting that. I only found 2 of those. Oh, wait a minute. So it's going to be a tall grass, that's for sure, and it's going to bloom. It's going to bloom from September to October. Isn't that beautiful? That's great, because that's exactly when I'll need it to put up a show. So beautiful. I have 2 of those. I might put those in the flower bed back there. So we're going to have to see. And then I found this beautiful hibiscus, which blooms and has many colors on the blooms. This is something I'm really looking forward to. And that one came in a topiary form. So it's a topiary hibiscus right now. And I'm really looking forward to planting that in a beautiful place and see how it displays these beautiful flowers. And next here I have, what do I have here? The Spirea. That's a Spirea right here. It's well, I hope you can see more of it right there. Let's bring it out. So there's the Spirea. It has a good size right now, and look at the leaves on that Spirea right now. We're in fall, and that's exactly the kind of show that I would like to see next year in the garden. And in spring and summer, it's going to have these beautiful white blooms on the plant, and that will be something to look forward to as well. It is hardy to zone down to zone, well, they don't say exactly to what zone, but it's definitely hardy, and it's going to grow up to about 2 meters. I'm going to have to plant these in a half shade or part shade, in a part shade area. So this is beautiful. And then I have which one do I have here? A golden spirit. That one is a golden spirit, and look at the colors on they're falling off already, but look at that. Look at those beautiful fall colors. The leaves are just beautiful and also very hardy, and it's going to need a sunny area, and it will grow like till about 3 meters up, also at 50%. Beautiful. Doesn't have any blooms, but that should be all right. It has these lemon green leaves in spring and summer, and then they'll just turn yellow and red in fall. So that will be really interesting to see. Beautiful. Oh, This one I am most excited about. This one is I mean, already now, look at that. I need to put it in a place where you can just see it. Already now, it's a small shrub right now, but I like the fact that the stems have turned red for the season, and that is going to have these interesting blooms in the warmer period of the year. So, and that one is hardy down to zone 6, and it likes to be planted in a sunny to part shade area. So part sun. It blooms in May, and it should be pruned right after blooming. It's so very interesting. I got 2 of those, and I think those would definitely go somewhere here in the front because they're not too big. They're just little shrubs, and I might have to put them in pots to be able to move them around a little bit and see how they look in the garden before I put them in the ground. So I got 2 of those. I have another one here. Look at those colors. Just beautiful. Yep. And then I have all the other grasses here. I think I have 2 kinds. I have another China shave grass here at 50%, and also hardy, likes to be in the sun. It's not going to grow that tall, so that's good. Interesting. And this one turns red. As you can see right now, it has changed color a little bit, and that would also be something really nice to look at in fall. I have a few of those. Oh, I haven't. This one is another type that I have here. So, and this one is also winter hardy. It's going to be even smaller than the other one, I realize. So I have 2 of those, and I have, I think, 5 of the other type. Yeah. So I have the grasses, and then I got a few pots. I was lucky to find these pots. I've been looking for some nice terracotta looking pots for some time now, and these ones, oh, I got this Falcaras as well. That came at £1 each. So they were brought down to £1, and I got a few of those. I'm going to be planting them in a flower border, and yeah, looking forward to seeing how that is going to look. Then I got a few bulbs. I mean, we can never have enough bulbs in the garden. And then the pots, I got these pots, and I've been looking for pots like this now for some time. So I'm happy to have found these, and they were very, very well, affordable, one can say. So that is my little plant haul. I'm happy to have been able to share that with you. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.